Welcome back, YouTube. I'm just out here waxing the truck, and I was doing the back of it here, and I was thinking, I'm like, I should add some detailing to this bugger, or not detailing, sorry, YouTube advertising stickers on here, so for my channel name. So I'd got these here made up from Oliver's Labels. I bought these off Amazon, and I'm gonna try and apply these, see what it looks like. I got one white one, which I'll probably put back here, and then on the front of the truck, that was shiny. On the front of the truck, I'm thinking I'm gonna get rid of that Polaris label up there. I love Polaris, guys, so let's not start this Skidoo Arctic Polaris stuff. But I'm thinking I'll take that one off. I kind of like the looks of that, but I'll probably put another YouTube one up there that I have in gray. So if I get that on today, which is the last warm day in Minnesota, I will definitely try and let you guys see what it looks like once we're done here. So, man, that sun reflected down there. I still got to wax the hood on the other side yet, so I have a lot of stuff to get done here. But let me quick try and put this decal on, and then that way you guys can see what it looks like here. Oh, in case you're wondering, Bocas del Toro Black Cat. Black Cat is a store in Bocas del Toro, Panama. Bocas del Toro is a really cool area down there. Just Google it online. There's Isla Zapatilla, if you can go there, or there's one north of it too. I forget the name of it now. Playa Estrella, I believe it is, for like a starfish beach, they call it. Go that. Take a bus up there. It's only like $2.50 for the bus to get up there, but it's freaking beautiful, absolutely amazing, tropical paradise. So that and Isla Zapatilla. But all right, let me get the sticker put on here. All right, guys, had company, so I didn't finish waxing yet or nothing. It got completely dark out, but I put the label on here, rubbed it all down, so it should be sticking good. Actually, I didn't do it this way. I used a little squeegee here, rubbed it down this way first, and then I went this way. Trying to make sure everything's sticking good. And then we should be able to peel off this backing paper on here. And hopefully this turns out right. So if it doesn't, you guys will see it first right here with me. Ooh, looking good so far. Oh, is that good or what? That's awesome. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Should help draw in a few viewers, I hope. Didn't plan on doing this video in the dark, but I got the old decal off there. And I gotta get some glass cleaner, clean off the residue or whatever, get ready to install the new decal. So yeah, can't wait to get her done. Got it right there. So first thing first, take the decal out. You gotta remove this little sticker. Please read instructions before you start. What I'm gonna do is open this up, take this cardboard out of here. Sorry. Okay, so you want to open it up, take the cardboard out, get it so that the label side is up, kind of smooth out these creases. And then you're going to take a squeegee or your finger and push down on all them. So I'm just going to go like this, but I need two hands to do it. Alright, once that's done, you just flip this over, peel off the back. And then once the back is off of here, just peel this off all the way like that. Again, I need two hands. Once the back is off there, then you just stick it to where you need it on the window and press it down again with the squeegee. Alright, once you got it on there, then you just take your squeegee that bugger down, so make sure all the letters are stuck good. And of course it started to rain right when I decided to do this and just got done waxing my truck. I'll pull it in the garage quick and dry it off. So get this on here for you. Should be about it. Okay, let's take a look. Ah, shoot. Okay. We're still good. Whew. There we are, guys. That looks awesome. Alright guys, there she is, all done up. Got the YouTube channel name on the back there, along with Bocas del Toro and Panama, Daniel Defense for AR-15s. They make awesome guns. Vortex Optics 509 for sledding. And Grim Reaper, of course, everybody's favorite. Okay, maybe just my favorite. But yeah, new wax job. That ceramic wax by Turtle Wax did one hell of a job on here. Looks pretty darn nice. And then I got the other advertising sticker up top. Might be a little hard to see, but there it is up there. Super happy with the way it turned out. Couldn't be happier. So if you guys are looking for advertising your YouTube channel, stuff like that, check them out. But not sure how much videos I'll be uploading here. I'm taking off again. Gonna head to Panama for about a month and a half. So I'll try and upload as many videos as possible. If you guys want to see videos of down there, comment in the comments section, would you? And I'll see what I can do. Hey guys, it's literally 12:19 a.m. and I gotta be up at 3:30 a.m. to catch my flight for Panama. I got a long drive ahead of me to get to the airport. But I just wanted to give a heartfelt thanks for all the support. You guys are amazing. Thanks for watching my videos and stuff. And if you want to see any content from Panama or anything, let me know. Leave comments down in the comment section, I guess. And yeah, let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you're interested in. If you want to see me doing travel videos, like I've been to Alaska and stuff, do you want me to upload them on this channel, or do you want them on my other Life of Temptation channel? Because I'm not sure if I should keep trying to build this one up, or keep the videos separated, like keep this one off-roading and keep that one travel related stuff. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate the feedback, and I do read all your comments even if I don't reply to them all. So again, thanks guys, and we will see you later. I'll try and upload videos if I have internet down there. So appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you.